PJ, the Harvest and Community Service. PJ, Harvest and Community Service. Excuse me, sir, you work here? Does somebody work here? Excuse me, sir, somebody work here? Yeah, I need your help. Need your help. Huh? No Wi-Fi. I want to know mustard cars. I want to know mustard cars. I want to know mustard cars. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 110? So this is River. Cash, you don't mind showing the sweaters real quick? The sweaters? I'm sorry? You don't mind showing the sweaters? Can I show you some sweaters? Sweaters? Yeah, you don't mind showing the sweaters? Put that jacket back. You looking for sweaters, right? Yeah, can you help me out, please, with sweaters? The sweaters? Can you, oh, okay. Can you just walk with me, please? Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I'm sorry.